Cut out 2 pieces on fold for the center front and 4 pieces for the side. I'm going to be making use of the main fabric as the lining, then 4 pieces for the center back and side back, 2 pieces for the back skirt. Don't forget to add the zipper allowance, 1 piece for the front right and front left, 2 pieces on fold for the front and the back strap. And I already went ahead to put fusible interfacing on the wrong side of the fabric. Now I'm going to begin sewing it. Join the center front and the side front together. Do this for both the main fabric and the lining. Now repeat the same process for the back. Sandwich the straps between the main fabric and the lining. Pin the neckline and sew it using a straight stitch. After sewing, notch the fabric at the center. Then trim the seam allowance towards the V point. Turn the fabric over to the right side and make an understitch on the lining. On the downside, sew the main fabric and the lining together. Now the front is ready. I'm going to repeat the same process for the back. Join the front and back bodies at the shoulder. Now I'm going to set this aside and work on the skirt. For the skirt front, pin the 2 front pieces together. Then from the waist, measure where you want the slit to start, then use a pin to mark the point. Start sewing with your normal stitch length till you get to where the slit starts. Make a back stitch, then change the stitch to the longest length and sew till you get to the end of the fabric. Press the seam open. And use a pin to indicate where you made the back stitch. Now at the machine, fold in the raw edge of the fabric and sew till you get to the pin point. With the needle still in, turn the fabric and sew the other side. Remove the basting stitch you made earlier. After doing this, you would have formed the slits in the skirt front. Pin the skirt to the bodice and sew it. Do this for the front and the back. Now with right sides facing each other, pin the side seams and sew it. Attach an invisible zipper to the center back, then sew up the rest of the opening. Something to take note of before we continue. So after I put in the zipper, I tried on the dress and it wasn't fitted at the shoulder part and I had to take out 1/4 inch. So I would suggest that before you put in your sleeves, you try on the dress. If it fits perfectly, it's fine. But if it doesn't fit, you take out whatever excess that's there. Okay, let's continue. For the sleeve, I added 3 inches to my straight sleeve pattern. And the length I used was 11 inches. Make a notch at about 3/4 of the sleeve head. And join the sides of the sleeve together. Make a channel at the bottom of the sleeve and pass an elastic through it. Sew a basting stitch on the sleeve from one notch to the other. Gather the sleeve and ease it in to the armhole. Then secure it with pins and sew it. Fold the hem over twice and sew to finish the dress. And now the dress is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.